Thud. Mom stopped walking. Slowly, she turned around. My backpack was sitting by the door, leaning sideways, looking enormous. Zuri! Yes, Mom? Why is your backpack breathing? I smiled. It's very full.
So if you wanna have fun but don't know what to do, let Auntie Missy read to you.
Hi, my friends. Tonight's story is called Messy Backpack, and I Don't Care. Let's begin. Mom stood in the garden. She looked around. Something wasn't right. She stepped to one side, then the other. Still, something was missing. I'm home. I ran in and I dropped my backpack. Thud. Zuri, Mom said. Upstairs. Wash up. Snack. She reached down and grabbed my backpack and stopped. Why is this so heavy? She lifted it with both hands. It barely moved. My backpack is full. Very, very full. It zips. Almost. I push. I sit on it. Zip! My hair leans forward and helps hold it closed. There. Done. Mom, I call. Mom walks by. Zuri? Yes, Mom? Your backpack. I know. I pick it up. Plop! Mom looks down. A rock? Oh, I need that. For what? Mom asks. I think. Just in case. Mom pauses. Okay. I took 2 steps. Plop, plop. A spoon? Mom asks. I might get hungry. You have lunch. I might get extra hungry. Mom looks at me. I look at her. My backpack, I said, has plans. Friends, what do you think is inside Zuri's backpack next? My hair gets stuck in the zipper. Wait. I pull. The zipper opens. Everything falls out. Crash, scatter, roll. Mom looks at the floor, then at me, then at my backpack. Zuri. Yes, Mom? Your backpack. I know. We sit on the floor together. Mom opens my backpack. All right, she says. Let's see what's really in here. She pulls things out. Clothes, elastic bands, a lunch from last week. Mom freezes. Zuri. She holds it far away. That is not coming back in. More comes out. Rocks. Lots of rocks. Some are smooth, some are sparkly, some are different colors. Mom pauses. Mom makes 2 piles. This stays, this goes. I watch closely. I reach over. Wait, I say. I pick a few things. These are important. Mom nods. Okay. I place them back inside. Not everything, just what matters. Later, Mom goes outside. I'm already out there, placing my rocks one by one around the garden. Mom stops. She looks around, then at the rocks. The garden feels different now. Better. Complete. Mom smiles. This was the missing piece. Your backpack isn't messy, she says. It's full of ideas. I smile. I know. I love you, Zuri. I love you more. The end. Did you enjoy Zuri's story today? Would you like this free activity page? You can download it for free at Reading with Auntie Missy's website. Ask a grown up to visit the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories and activities.